Um, so, hi guys. And I have to say something. I have not been posting in a very long time because I had school. In that last video I made about me getting an encounter as Astro, I got research from Dial. Um, I based it was during the summer when I didn't have school. Then school came up, and then basically just stopped posting. But but in my free time, I have been playing Danny Road. I just didn't have the motivation to post. And like, I got a few more mains, such as Bobette and Gordy, and a few more tunes, like Rebecca, and like other tunes, and like, I don't know, Cole, cause, yeah. And they also got the New Year's Ginger skin and stuff, but it just didn't have the motivation to post during that time. So I just stopped posting. But now I've come back because Easter gave me motivational posts and stuff, and I know what's been happening. And you might say, and let me show you the calendar. Yep, you're seeing that. You might think, oh, he hasn't played all Easter. Well, I sure do wonder how I got all these baskets and uh some research. I don't know how to explain it on Bassy. But like, yeah, I just didn't have the motivation to post. That's all. Nothing too much, right? Um, well, and that's gonna. Well, that's all I'm gonna be posting for now because I just wasn't motivated. Anyway, that's all. Bye.